Hey, what's going on, y'all? Troy here. I posted a article the other day around how to use AI in lead generation. Got a ton of questions on that and a lot of interest. One of the big things that we're using AI for here at BuzzLead is to pitch strong content ideas to prospects that make it show like you did your homework on the website and actually have some interest and value that you've already provided to them. So, right, there's a ton of different use cases for AI, and these are just a few that we use in lead generation. But the purpose of this video is going to be going in depth into number four, into what tools we use, what prompts we provided, and then how to actually apply it in practice. Let's get into it. So, first of all, the tool that we're using here is Clayrun. It's a pretty decent solution itself. I recommend you test it out. If you'd like, they give you, I think, like 100, 200, free credits, and then you can enter onto a pricing strategy from there. So, simply put, you just upload a sheet into Clay Labs, and then from there, you're going to come into, you're actually going to do enrich data. You're going to type in GPT, right? Use GPT or use AI, right? The exact prompt that we're going to use here is one of these here. Create 3 SEO backlinking ideas based on /website. That's actually going to pull from one of the rows, or excuse me, columns in the Clayrun sheet. These should be bullet points. Ideas must remain under 40 characters, right? We always want to focus on short form. Be more detailed, provide specific recommendations for sites, remove quotations from any suggestions. So as you can see, I provided a few different ones that we do here. A website audit, right, if we're doing web design, growth marketing if we're a marketing agency, lead generation if you're somebody like BuzzLead, of course, and then creative sales ideas if you just are one of those growth marketers or growth agencies as well. So that's the exact prompt that we utilized here. So let's come back to this. Let me. Beautiful. Cool. So that's the prompt that we ran here, right? Great. 3 SEO backlinking ideas based on website. I just had it remove the HTTPS side of it. Actually, I had it remove all the ones that didn't have, websites associated with it. I ran those prompts. You can try it first on the, try for free on the first 5 rows, and then you get to save and run it for the rest of those rows. But ultimately, what it ends up providing, or what it ends up looking like, is you'll then get an output, right? You'll have this column here. The results are insane, right? Like, our client does backlinking services, so guest post on cybersecurity blogs like this, participate in cybersecurity forums like this, collaborate with technology review sites like this. Like, that is so in depth into that specific industry that the value shows that you already know what you're talking about, but meanwhile, it's just AI running it through you or for you. And so, right, the sequence looks like a typical sequence, right? Intro, personalization. If we could do offer, case study, low friction CTA. The second step in that sequence is I was on your website today and had blank ideas for you, growth marketing ideas for you, sales ideas for you, website, potential, right? You can lead with pain there. I was on your website today and noticed some things that might be leaving a website or a customer revenue on the table, right? Anyways, then you plug in those ideas. But of course, I wrote these without knowing too much about your growth strategy or targeting. If you're interested, I have some time on Thursday or Friday afternoon to speak in more detail. What it ends up coming out like is amazing. This has been printing meetings for us. Email 2. Right, that's the typical formatted one. Boom. I was on your website today and had some SEO backlinking ideas for you. Collaborate with tech blogs like TechCrunch for guest postings. Engage in forums of discussions on sites like Stack Overflow. List on business directories like Crunchbase. But of course, I wrote these without knowing too much about your growth strategy or targeting. If you're interested, I have some time and more. That is so value driven into how you're going to actually bring an impact to their business. That's insane, right? You could have different CTAs in there of these are just a couple ideas I had for you. Would love to throw some more at you, or these are a couple ideas that I had for you. Would love to see what the application might look like for your business in a pilot model, right? Some sort of low friction CTA there that shows you did the homework to earn the conversation. So that's just one of the use cases that we're having for AI here at BuzzLead. If you found this of value, let me know. Throw a like, comment, share. Always like to hear from you guys. Happy hunting.